Okay, I'm taking this question number 22 from paper 2H, November 2023. It's a vector question. Remember always the vector questions, the first few parts will be very easy. Okay, just follow a path, continuous path without any breaks, and make sure that the vectors are taken in the correct directions. Okay, so when students asked me the first two parts, there was no doubt. The first answer, they have to find OC. So I followed the path of OB plus BC, and my simplified answer is this one. Simplify your answer. Similarly, find the vector AB, AB. I am taking AO and OB. I can even take AC and CB, but I don't know what is AC. Okay. So AO and OB. So my final answer is minus 3A plus 4B, because 3A is in this direction and I am coming in the opposite direction. So these two, no doubt. Now the doubt is there with part B. Okay. And it carries only 3 marks, but there is little bit of working. What they are telling, using a vector method, find the ratio AP is to PB. The condition is that the point P lies on AB and on OC. Point P is lying on AB also and OC also. Now remember, we have come across questions that ask us to show that two vectors are parallel, or to show that 3 points lie on the same line. So whenever they are like that, I have made you write in your booklets also that they are scalar quantities of the same vector, scalar multiples of the same vector. Okay, that means if one is A, the other can be 3A. If one is 5x plus 10x, the other can be 2 times 5x plus 10x. That means final answer will be 10x plus 20x, like that. Okay, they are scalar multiples. You can take out common factor. So since P OP, P is lying on the line OC, so I can have OP as some multiple of C. Like, I don't know, it could be half of C, it could be 2/3 of C, some number. Okay, not necessarily whole number. It can be any fraction also. It could be 3/4 of OC, something like that. Okay, that usually you will see in marking schemes and all. Lambda, mu, these are all like Greek letters that we are using for unknown quantities, just like our x, y and theta and all. Okay, so I can write OP as, say, yeah, I don't want to confuse you with too many letters. So OP, let it be x times OC. This is one way of writing OP. Okay. So let me say OP is x times OC, where x is a scalar number. Okay, which will be x times, now see, that is the reason they have asked you to find OC here, 2A plus 2B. 2A plus 2B. Okay, let me make it more simpler. I'll separate the x and y. So 2xa plus 2xb. Now remember, here A and B are my vectors, whereas x is a scalar. Okay, so my OP I can write in one way by using OC. What is the other way that I can write OP? I can write OP in terms of AB also. How? OP can be written as OA plus AP. Okay, OP can also be written as OA plus AB, which is, how much is my OA? It is 3A. And how much is my AP? AP we don't know, but we have already found OAB. And once again, AP is a part of AB. So AP, it could be half, it could be 2/3, any scalar multiple of AB. Now this will be something different from X. We don't know. Okay. It could be same or it could be different from my previous one. So I will take this multiple as Y. So I will write OA is 3A plus, sorry, I'm sorry, here it was actually AP. This is AP, OP. And here comes my Y times AB. Okay, and how can you, why are you writing Y times AB or X times OC? Because they are lying on the same line. Okay, and so now it will be 3A plus Y times, what is my answer of AB? Minus 3A plus 4B. Minus 3A plus 4B. Remember, A and B are vectors, so that if I'm combining, I will get 3 minus 3y A. Okay, that means I have combined this A and this A by multiplying, and plus 4y B. Hope this part is clear. So what did I do? I got my OP using two different lines, this line and this line, and I got two different expressions, but OP is one and the same line only part that we are talking about. So what does it mean? This X component should match with this and this component should match with this. Okay, so now we have two simultaneous equations. 2x is equal to 3 minus 3y. From where did I get this? 2x equal to 3 minus 3y, and also I have 2x equal to 4y. 2x equal to 4y. So I got simultaneous equations. And so what I will do, I can solve it using any method. Okay, remember, solving simultaneous equations is also a part of your syllabus. You can use any method. The easiest method that I will use is, I will use this and substitute it here in place of this. So since 2x is the same as 4y, I will replace, I'm using the method of substitution. 4y equals 3 minus 3y. So 4y plus 3y gives me 7y is equal to 3. And I got my y as 3 over 7. Okay. So what is y? Y is actually AP. Like AP, it means AP is 3 over 7 times AB. Because my y I had taken for AP. Okay. So imagine now, AP is 3 over 7 parts. 3/7 of AB. If 3/7 of AB is AP, what part is left out? The left out part is 4/7 because total parts will be 7, right? So what is the ratio of AP and PB? It is 3:4. That's it. I know it might be slightly difficult for you, but such parts you can always keep it towards the end. Okay, and always try. You may get method marks, but hope it is clear.